Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi to my new subscribers, I'm glad you're here. This is Madonna, giving you ideas to kickstart your creativity. For today's video, I'm going to show you a doodle art ideas and line drawings for beginners. So I'm just gonna start a basic lettering here, and I'm going to draw straight using my Sharpie marker, and I'm just doodle here what's ideas I'm using what's in my brain right now. As an prepare or plan ahead, I just want to let you know that sometimes doodling is really great for practicing line drawings and ideas because you don't have to worry so much about details for the moment. And my goal right now is doing what I want to convey for the moment and what I'm thinking. And I do this while listening to like music or podcast or even some like read aloud of my toddler. So it does really help if you are not focused so much or you're into very realistic drawing mode. So the aim of this drawing sketches or doodle is just letting your self draw freely rather than being trapped with just reference alone. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't use a reference at all. This is something that is beneficial too when it comes to your art style, and yes, not only for relaxation but also for your artistic styles of drawing or doodling. So what is your art style? Try to give yourself time to sit and have a sip of tea or coffee and draw without a reference. But also it does develop over time. Some artists or people has broad spectrums of art styles or drawing, so don't be guilty if you have numbers of it. Be proud. If you aim for realistic drawing, don't overdo the lines. But if you're just having fun and really want to explore, have fun, doodle when you have time. Be a kid of your own. So be kind to yourself too. And what do you like to doodle? Flowers, nature theme, or more like characters, robots, cartoons? Just be yourself. So if you are, depending on what kind of composition you are to do, or if you already have in mind, please keep it simple or easy to get yourself overwhelmed along the way. So I prefer to start in the middle, doodle around it. And if you are bored or just run out of ideas, you must watch my previous videos of things to draw. You might get some there also, and maybe this will be the second part. Well, here most is letting yourself be as simple or just free and doodling for the moment. And when you feel like you got stuck of ideas, don't be afraid to try. Don't let it stop you, and don't stare at the blank page for a long. Just doodle. Along the way, you will discover many ideas. And just start. Sometimes if you just wait for a long time or for ideas to come, maybe it will never come. Sometimes you just have to find them. Like look around, go out, or walk around. Watch people, relax, have a cup of tea, like playing music or podcast. Show what you feel for the moment and give yourself time to express yourself. You know that art is something that you should enjoy and give you freedom of expression and peace. Actually, I started to doodle early in the morning and it's kind of forming a habit for me. Yes, I try to feel my creative part first before I can burn my hours online, and this is something very stimulating in the brain. And when you doodle more, the more ideas that comes up. You continue to doodle, draw, or sketch because it is indeed very beneficial. Not only it helps with generating ideas, but also build muscle memory. Yes, doodle or drawing is cardio, but if in a good way. I find it less stressful, even though my doodles are like childlike. To other people will not mean so much, but I admire people that can draw realistic style too. It's just everybody has his own style, so don't let that stop you. And the last thing also that I found most important is the fear of making mistakes. I'm not saying that you should not use pencil. I do use pencil too once in a while. And I know a lot of people who doodles with pencil first to come up with compositions and other factors. So one of the goals what I like about doodling is just to face mistakes and like be yourself. It is hard to complete a drawing or a doodle because you are just more focused on trying to be clean or very neat or perfect drawing that everybody would admire. So doodle is that if you're, for example, make a mistake, don't be afraid to try again and just feel happy of the outcome and relax. And I hope it makes you relaxed, you guys, while watching or listening to my ramblings today. And I think I have to say thank you for watching my video, guys, and thank you for all your support. I encourage you to doodle today, and if you do, I'm happy. So please subscribe for more doodles, drawings, art tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep on creating, and bye bye.